In this video, I'm going to show you how to use passkeys with 1Password. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your vaults here, and you want to go to Watchtower over here top left. And then from here, you should be able to see it's going to say passkeys available, and then you have the number here. For me, it's 3. So I can click on show items. And then over here, as you can see the available passkeys, and I can just go ahead and click on whichever one, for example, here. And then here you can click on use passkey, and this is going to take you to their passkeys over here. And then, of course, wherever you can create passkeys, for example, for me, I went to GitHub with this test account here, I'll be able to, of course, go ahead and create the passkey, okay? So as you can see, passkey.directory, and then over here, it says how it's set up, when it was added, stuff like that, and then it says to save a passkey on your GitHub account, you have to do that specific thing over here, and then that's what you have to do. So, of course, if you go to anything else, so for example, if I were to go, let's just go back here, and if I go to, for example, a Gmail here, and if I do use passkey, I'll be able to see how to do that for that specific account as well. As you can see, it's going to show the notes and stuff like that, and then it's going to say whether sign in with passkey is supported. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.